Hello students, welcome to the most exciting course in Autodesk Sketchbook Pro. This is a pretty handy and interesting software to learn the basics of digital drawings. I will show you how we can exactly design something new. In this course, we will learn how we can exactly download and install the software, how we can configure the tools, what are the important things that we are going to discuss, how the brushes are working, how we can import new brushes into our library, and how the layers in the software works. This course is for the beginners in digital art or product design or engineering students who wanted to illustrate their drawings or share their ideas with their clients. If you are using your mouse on your PC, it will be hard for us to learn digital drawings. So I strongly suggest you to obtain a drawing pad or a tablet to install the software and practice the drawings. So then after, it will be very easy for us to do the quick works like cut, copy, paste, undo, etc. So then it will be very interesting for us to learn and do the drawings, right? So why are you waiting? Let's just enroll to the course and let's get started.